Hi everyone, this is Guide H. November has already begun and the weather in Korea is getting colder day by day. The streets are covered with beautiful autumn leaves and you can really feel that winter is just around the corner. These days, the temperature even drops below zero in the early mornings and at night. Korea is slowly getting ready to welcome the winter season. Personally, I'm not a big fan of the cold, and to be honest, Korean winters are really cold. But I guess many of you watching this video are planning to visit Korea during the winter, right? So today I'd like to introduce you to what winter in Korea is like and share some tips to help you enjoy your trip. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like. It really helps me out a lot. Let's start by looking at the winter weather in Korea. Winter usually lasts from December to February, although November and March can also feel quite chilly. In Seoul, the average temperature during this time is around -2 degrees Celsius to +5 degrees Celsius. But that's just the average. On really cold days, it can drop below -10 degrees Celsius. The further north you go, like Gangwon province, the colder it gets, while southern cities such as Busan are relatively milder. Korean winters are also known for being dry and windy. The skies are usually clear, but the cold air can make it feel even colder outside. Still, don't worry too much. Indoor heating in Korea is excellent thanks to the traditional ondol floor heating system. It's so warm inside that you can even wear short sleeves in your hotel room. If you're traveling to Korea between December and February, you'll definitely need to dress warmly. As I mentioned earlier, the Korean winter is truly cold, especially when the wind blows, so make sure to bring a thick padded coat or jumper. Wearing layers helps keep your body heat in, and thermal innerwear like heat tech is highly recommended. And don't forget your scarf. It makes a huge difference in how warm you feel. If you don't have one, you can easily buy one after arriving in Korea. Gloves are also a must because when the temperature drops below zero, your hands get so cold that it's hard to even use your smartphone outside. Bring a mask too. It not only helps prevent colds but also keeps your face warm. You can also buy heat packs at convenience stores or Daiso shops everywhere in Korea. Finally, pay attention to your shoes. Since it often snows in winter, wear warm non-slip shoes so you don't slip on icy roads. If you prepare your outfit well, you'll be able to enjoy your trip comfortably even in the freezing weather. Because it's so cold outside, indoor attractions are very popular in winter. For example, COEX Mall in Seoul offers shopping, dining, and even an aquarium in one huge complex. Another trendy spot is the Hyundai Seoul, a modern shopping mall with stylish interiors and art exhibitions. Perfect for spending a cozy afternoon. If you love books, visit Kyobo Bookstore. You can relax under warm lighting, read, or browse cute stationery with Korean-style designs. And of course, you can't forget about cafes. Korea has an incredible cafe culture. From aesthetic coffee shops to dessert cafes and rooftop cafes with great views. Enjoying a hot coffee indoors is one of the best parts of winter travel in Korea. In winter, cities all over Korea sparkle with beautiful lights and illuminations. In Seoul, you can visit the Gwanghwamun Winter Festival, the Myeongdong Media Facade, and the light shows near Lotte Tower in Jamsil. The combination of lights and music creates a magical atmosphere in the city. No Korean winter is complete without street food. As you walk through the streets, you'll find warm snacks like sweet pancakes called hotok and fish-shaped bun called bungerbang. Taking a bite of these freshly made treats in the cold air instantly warms your hands and your heart. For many travelers, this is one of the most memorable experiences of winter in Korea. There are also many special activities you can only enjoy in Korea during winter. Starting December 19th, the Seoul Plaza Ice Rink opens in front of City Hall, where you can skate right in the heart of downtown. If you like skiing or snowboarding, head to the resorts in Gyeonggi or Gangwon province. They offer great slopes for both beginners and experts. And don't miss the famous Hwacheon Ice Festival, where you can go ice fishing and taste local food. It's one of Korea's most unique and fun winter festivals. As you can see, winter in Korea isn't just about the cold. It's a season filled with warm indoor comforts and romantic outdoor moments. If you are planning to visit Korea this winter, dress warmly, take your time, and enjoy the beauty of the season at your own pace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.